And I have recently had the opportunity to try out the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer, and I must say it has been a pleasure to use. As a product marketing expert with extensive experience, I understand the importance of a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance, and this hand mixer certainly delivers on both fronts. First and foremost, the build quality of the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is exceptional. The sturdy construction ensures durability and longevity, giving users peace of mind knowing that their investment will last for years to come. The mixer's compact design with product dimensions of 5.7 D into 8.3 W into 9.2 H makes it easy to store and saves valuable counter space. The sleek white color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor, blending seamlessly with other appliances. Additionally, the stainless steel blade material not only enhances the mixer's durability but also provides excellent performance in terms of mixing and blending ingredients.